almost and at least. Let's understand. So dukoresha almost tuvuga like ikintu cyenda kuba gusa kitaraba ijana ku ijana. Urugero, I almost missed the bus. Nendaga kubura imodoka. I almost missed the bus. So iyo uri kwihuta ntabwo ari ngombwa ko usoma missed ngo missed, dusoma missed. I almost missed the bus. Kabiri, she's almost 18 years old. She's almost 18 years old. Ni ukuvuga ngo yenda kuzuza imyaka 18. Maybe ko habura nk'amezi, afite imyaka 17 n'amezi maybe nko agera nko mu 10. Wenda harabura amezi 2 ngo yuzuze imyaka 18. She's almost yenda kuzuza imyaka 18 bukore. We almost finished the work. We almost finished the work. Twendaga kurangiza akazi. We almost finished the work. Twendaga kurangiza akazi. At least. So, at least tuyikoresha kwerekana minimum, like urugero ruto tudakwiye kujya munsi. Urugero ruto tudakwiye kujya munsi, like minimum. Urugero dushobora kuvuga ngo you should sleep at least 8 hours. Urugero tudakwiye kujya munsi na amasaha 8. Ni ukuvuga ngo ukwiye gusinzira cyangwa ukwiye kuryama nibura amasaha 8. Nibura, at least nibura amasaha 8. Ntabwo ukwiye kujya munsi y'amasaha 8. I have at least 10 books. Nibura mfite ibitabo 10. Nibura mfite ibitabo 10. Iyi niyo minimum tudakwiye kujya hasi. Uvuga ngo mfite nibura ibitabo 10. Bring at least 2 pens. Bring at least 2 pens. Zana nibura amakaramu 2. Zana nibura amakaramu 2. Ni ukuvuga ngo at least ntuyajye munsi. Nibura amakaramu 2. So at most, least. Let's understand. So dukoresha at most tuvuga urugero ruri hejuru ntarengwa, like maximum. Urugero ruri hejuru cyane ntarengwa. Urugero dushobora kuvuga ngo you can eat at most 3 pieces of cake. Like ushobora kurya uduce tutarenze 3 twa cake. Uduce tutarenze 3 twa cake. Ushobora kurya uduce tutarenze 3 twa cake. At most tutarenze 3. The trip will take at most 2 hours. Ni ukuvuga ngo urugendo ruzatwara amasaha atarenze 2. At most. Ni ukuvuga ngo amasaha 2 niyo maximum, nirwo rugero ruri hejuru ntarengwa. Urugendo ruzatwara at most 2 hours. Amasaha atarenze 2. I will spend at most $50. Ni ukuvuga ngo nzakoresha amadolari atarenze 50. Nzakoresha amadolari atarenze 50. So list, dukoresha list tuvuga ingano ntoya cyane kurusha ibindi. Ushobora kuvuga ngo this is, sorry, hano harimo is. This is the list. This is the least expensive phone. Iyi ni phone ihendutse cyane. Least, like cheapest phone. He has the least experience in the team. Ni ukuvuga ngo afite uburambe bukeya cyane kurusha abandi muri team. Afite uburambe bukeya cyane kurusha abandi muri team. She eats the least food among her friends. Ni ukuvuga ngo arya ibiryo bikeya kurusha abandi mu nshuti ze. She eats the least food among her friends. Ni ukuvuga ngo ni urya ibiryo bikeya kurusha abandi mu nshuti ze, among her friends. So this was for today. Thank you for watching.